Trip to the farm.
Hi! Where are we today at the farm?
Cow.
Cows.
Let's learn about cows. What does a cow eat?
Cow eats grass.
Where does a cow live?
In a shed.
A cow's baby is?
A calf.
And the cow says?
Cow says moo.
Pig.
Pigs.
Let's learn about pigs.
What does a pig eat?
Fruits, vegetables, corns and grains. Where does a pig live?
In a sty.
Pig's baby is?
A piglet.
And what does a pig say?
Pig says oink oink.
Horse.
Horses.
Let's learn about horses. What does a horse eat?
Horse eats grass.
Where does a horse live?
In a stable.
A horse's baby is?
A foal.
And what does a horse say?
Horse neigh.
Sheep.
Sheep.
Let's learn about sheep. What does a sheep eat?
Sheep eats grass.
Sheep live in a?
Pen.
A sheep's baby is?
Lamb.
And what does a sheep say?
Sheep says baba.
Chicken. Let's learn about chicken.
What does a chicken eat?
They can eat a lot of things like grains, corn, fruits, and even worms and insects. Chicken lives in a coop. A baby chicken is?
A chick.
And what does a chicken say?